Hi, my name's Dawn Shannon, owner of Intuition Salon and Spa. I'm also a hairstylist, and you can visit us on the web at www.intuitionsalonandspa.com. Next, I'm going to demonstrate with this particular barrette, which opens. It's a traditional barrette, and I'm going to show you a couple different ways you can use this. One favorite is to put a barrette on one side. You can use a more casual barrette. This one always adds to every hairstyle, and that's one. So you can also pull the sides back, slip in the clip, make sure it's even. And that's how you put that in. A barrette like this usually is too small to put in a ponytail. So really you just want to use it maybe on your sides or pulling back the sides. Maybe on finer hair you could put it in a ponytail. And that's how you use this particular type of barrette.